Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into how to make her feel truly special. Relationships are like a dance. Sometimes you're in sync. Sometimes you step on each other's toes. We all want that feeling of being cherished, of knowing that we truly matter to someone. So if you're here, I bet you're ready to sweep her off her feet, metaphorically speaking, of course. Stay tuned as we reveal the secrets step by step. 1. Understanding her love language. You know how sometimes you feel like you're speaking a different language in relationships? Well, it turns out there's some truth to that. Everyone has a unique way they feel loved and appreciated. It's called a love language. There are 5 main love languages: words of affirmation, acts of service, receiving gifts, quality time, and physical touch. Maybe she lights up when you compliment her outfit, or perhaps she melts when you give her a back rub after a long day. Pay attention to those little clues. They're like love language treasure maps. And if you're really brave, ask her. Remember, folks, it's not about speaking your own love language. It's about learning hers. 2. Show genuine interest. You know that feeling when someone remembers something you told them? It just feels good to be heard, right? It's about putting down your phone, looking her in the eye, and really listening to what she has to say. Ask follow-up questions, be curious about her experiences, and let her know that you care about the big and little things that make up her world. Did she have a tough meeting? Offer a comforting word and a listening ear. Did she finally finish that book she's been reading? Ask her about her favorite part. These small gestures show her that you're paying attention, that you value her thoughts and feelings. Trust me, she'll notice and appreciate the effort. 3. Thoughtful surprises. Who doesn't love a good surprise? It's like a little burst of joy in the middle of an ordinary day. Now, I'm not talking about grand, over-the-top gestures here. It's the little things that often mean the most. Remember that book she mentioned wanting to read? Surprise her with it. Is her favorite band coming to town? Sneak 2 tickets into her purse? Leave her a sweet note on the bathroom mirror, make her breakfast in bed, or draw her a silly doodle? It's the thought that counts. Think about her interests, her passions, the things that make her smile. So, go ahead, surprise her. It'll make her day, and it'll make you feel pretty good too. 4. Undivided attention. In this age of smartphones and constant distractions, giving someone your undivided attention has become more valuable than ever. When you're with her, put the phone away. Not just face down on the table, but out of sight, out of mind. Look her in the eye when she's talking. Listen to what she has to say, and engage in the conversation. Bring back that same level of attention and interest into your relationship now. When she's telling you about her day, put down the remote, turn off the game, and really listen. Because when you give someone your undivided attention, you're giving them the gift of your time and presence, and that's truly priceless. 5. Sincere compliments. A genuine compliment is like a little spark of joy. It can brighten someone's entire day. Pay attention to the little things about her that you admire and appreciate. Instead of just saying, "You look pretty," tell her, "Wow, that dress looks amazing on you." It really brings out the color of your eyes. And don't just focus on her looks. Compliment her intelligence, her sense of humor, her kindness, her strength. Let her know that you see and appreciate all the amazing qualities that make her who she is. So go ahead, spread a little joy and shower her with some sincere compliments. 6. Support her dreams. We all have dreams, right? Those big, audacious goals that make our hearts race and our souls sing. Maybe she's always wanted to start her own business, write a book, or travel the world. Whatever her dreams may be, let her know that you believe in her, that you support her 100%. Listen to her ideas, offer constructive feedback, and celebrate her victories, big or small. If she's feeling discouraged, remind her of her strength, her resilience, and all the amazing things she's already accomplished. Help her break down those big, scary goals into smaller, more manageable steps. So be her rock, her cheerleader, her biggest fan, and watch as she soars. 7. Spend quality time together. Life can get busy, right? Work, errands, that never-ending to-do list. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of everyday life. We often find ourselves running from one task to another, barely having a moment to breathe. But here's the thing. Relationships need nourishment. They need dedicated time and attention to truly thrive. Without this, it's easy for the connection to weaken over time. Have a tech-free date night where you put away your phones and just enjoy each other's company. This simple act can make a world of difference. Go for a walk in nature, cook a meal together, or snuggle up on the couch and watch a movie. These moments create lasting memories. Think about what you both enjoy doing together and make time for it, even if it's just for a little while each day. Shared activities strengthen your bond. Remember, quality time is an investment in your relationship. It's these moments that build a strong foundation. So, put down the distractions, make time for each other, and watch your relationship blossom. The effort you put in today will pay off in the future. 8. Be a good listener. In a world that's constantly demanding our attention, being a good listener has become a rare and precious gift. It's a skill that can strengthen relationships and build deeper connections. Being a good listener is about more than just hearing the words someone is saying. It's about truly understanding and empathizing with the person speaking. It's about paying attention to their tone of voice, their body language, the emotions behind their words. These nonverbal cues often tell us more than words ever could. Put away your phone, turn off the TV, and give her your undivided attention. Show her that she is your priority in that moment. Make eye contact, nod your head, and use verbal cues to show her that you're actively listening. These small gestures can make a big difference. Sometimes all she needs is someone to listen without judgment, someone to validate her feelings. Your presence and understanding can be incredibly comforting. So the next time she needs to talk, be fully present, listen with your heart, and let her know that you're there for her, no matter what. Your genuine attention can make all the difference. 9. Appreciate the little things. Life is full of little things, isn't it? Those small, often overlooked moments that we sometimes take for granted. Those seemingly insignificant moments that, when you string them together, actually make up the fabric of our days. They are the threads that weave our lives into a beautiful tapestry. Appreciating the little things is about finding joy in the everyday, in the mundane, and in the routine. It's about seeing the beauty in the ordinary. It's about noticing and acknowledging the things your partner does, big or small, that make your life a little bit brighter. These gestures, no matter how small, are acts of love. Maybe it's the way she makes your coffee just the way you like it, with that perfect amount of sugar and cream, or how she always remembers to pick up your favorite snack from the store, even when you forget to ask. Take a moment to notice those little things, to acknowledge them, to let them sink in. Let her know that you see them, and that you appreciate them. A simple gesture of gratitude can mean the world. A simple thank you for making my coffee this morning, you're the best, or a heartfelt note can make her day. Saying, I love the way you make me laugh can go a long way in making her feel loved and appreciated. It's these words that build a strong foundation. Remember, it's often the little things that mean the most. They are the moments that stay with us, because it's in those little moments of appreciation that love truly blossoms and grows stronger every day. 10. Express your love regularly. Sometimes, in the hustle and bustle of everyday life, we forget to say the simplest yet most powerful words. I love you. Don't underestimate the power of expressing your love regularly. And I don't just mean saying the words. Show her how much you care through your actions, your gestures, your everyday interactions. Make eye contact, hold her hand, give her a hug, and let her feel the depth of your love in every touch. Remember, love is a verb. It's an action word. It's about making her feel loved, cherished, and adored, not just on special occasions, but every single day. So go ahead, express your love freely, openly, and regularly. There you have it, folks. 10 ways to make her feel truly special. Remember, it's not about grand gestures or expensive gifts. It's about the little things, the everyday moments of connection and appreciation that make all the difference. So go ahead, put these tips into practice and watch as your relationship blossoms into something truly extraordinary. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips help you make her feel truly special. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring content.